So this is a recap for live stream 144, I believe. Don't think we're up to 145 just yet. And we had a losing day, a fairly small losing day. I'm happy with it. We lost, happy with the PNL, not so happy with the trading. The trading could have been quite a bit better on my part. I let it get away from me a little bit, but I'll just have to accept it. So live stream 144. So let's have a look. Due to scheduling, couldn't have been at the charts earlier. Could not have been at the charts before about, I think it's about 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And if we have a look here, there weren't any trades I could take because the market just wasn't pulling back. First trade I actually took was a FOMO trade. So missed out on all of this here. Felt FOMO. Saw this big, what was a bearish candle at the time, was being bought back up. Decided to sell, looking for the market to go back down to test the lows. Prices came back, closed bullish. So I thought, well, that's a setup. So exited for a loss, lost 22,750 there. Then went long. And with the long, eventually closed at the end of day here for 5.5. So didn't even offset most of the loss over here. On ES, same situation with NQ. There was no opportunities to get long. Saw the large bearish candle, went short, looking for prices to retest the lows, did not. Exited for minus 16,250, then went long and closed at the end of the day, picked up 13,750 there. So that actually kind of worked out. RTY, again, RTY is a pretty difficult instrument. 16.5 first trade, hit target. Second trade, I was looking for a re-entry pullback long, went long, got stopped out. The trade I took across all the instruments, the short on the big bearish candle, eventually got out of that position, similar to the reasons why I got out on NQ and ES. Eventually went long again and closed for a loss at the end of the day here, -5. So wasn't great trading in RTY. YM went long first. This is a primary setup, so one of my normal setups went long. Market turned around, was stopped out on the large bearish candle, went short along with all the other indexes, all four: RTY, YM, NQ, and ES. Eventually had to close a position as price came back, lost 12.5 there. Went long, true setup. The target was up at 59. At the end of the day, I closed the position there at 52. Price eventually got to that 60, but closed just a couple of ticks below there. Gold, missed out on the first trade. Didn't missed out on the second one as well. Just by the time I got to the charts, to the third, and that actually hit target. The fourth here would have kind of worked as well, but we picked up just the one trade at 24.5. Missed out on this trade over here. Could have picked up to the 83s, but sometimes you're just not going to get all the profits that's on the table. We'll have a look over at the trade performance. So this is a trade performance for today. At one point we were, well, I was up at 40. So was building quite well, kept trading, drew down all the way down to -55 unrealized. I think I was down -90 at one point before eventually ending the day here down 18, roughly about 18.5, 18,452. Not the kind of equity curve I like to see, to be in profits and then to give it all back. But it's a small losing day, so some kind of positive there. On the summary, you can see there total gains, total losses. Not really much in commissions. There's a drawdown, negative profit factor, percentage profitable. It doesn't really mean anything really for me. Average win smaller than our average loss. Largest win smaller than our largest win smaller than largest loss. But yeah, just not a great equity curve. So, and in large part, it was the trade I took with the large bearish candle. This trade here is not actually part of the system, and I lost over here on all the instruments, actually, on NQ, ES, RTY, YM. Didn't take it on gold. So across the board, lost on this trade, which was a bit of an impulse, seeing the large bearish candle. Thought it would act like a bit of an engulfing candle and price would turn around. Did not. It got bought back up and prices just came to the upside. So definitely need to still, my discipline is definitely still not there. I still need to continue to work on it. And with that said, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.